In this video we're going to look at how we change fractions to percentages. You've got to remember that percentages are something out of 100. So we can change the existing fraction, for example 7/10 to something over 100, then we can work out the percentage very simply. So we're going to try and change 7/10 into a fraction over 100. Well, if we look at that example, we're going to look at what number do we multiply 10 by to make 100. Well, that's a fairly straightforward one, because 10 times 10 makes 100. So multiply the bottom by 10. Let's find a pen that you can see. Multiply the bottom by 10. So I multiply the top by 10. So if I multiply 7 by 10, I get 70. So now I've got something over 100. So our percentage is simply 70%. Now let's look at our second example. We've got 3/5, so I want to change that to be something over 100. Now that might be, you might be able to see straight away that you multiply 5 by 20 to make 100. But what I'm going to do first, just to make it a little bit easier, is I'm going to change this to be something over 10, because I can see I can multiply 5 by 2 to make 10, so multiply the top by 2 to make 6. And now it's an easier step to change it to something over 100, because 10 times 10 is 100, 6 times 10 is 60, so my answer is 60%. I could do it in one step, could do it in two. Okay, we've now got a quarter, slightly more difficult. Again, I can do it in one step to go to 100, because 4 25s make 100, so I'm multiplying the bottom by 25, so I'm multiplying the top by 25. So this is times 25 here, this is times 25 there, so a quarter is the same as 25%. So all I'm really trying to do is change my fraction into an equivalent fraction over 100, and then the numerator is the actual percentage number, something out of 100.